Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. 60 seconds, god dang. Why am I nervous? If you're watching me right now, we're live on Twitch. If you're watching this on YouTube, we're live on Twitch as well. We'll begin shortly! Sorry, I might be loud. Ow! Oh, do you guys have a bias? Is a bias even a thing? I feel like a lot of people just like the group as a whole nowadays in this K-pop world. But I feel like I chose my bias finally. I think it's Yoonjin. Yoonjin started popping up more on my For You page, and I just love her like expressions and her joking around. So her with Cat's Eye was funny too. And just, I think it was that one doing a random play dance or a dance telephone game with a fan, and her reactions was so funny. I'm a casual listener, and that's nothing wrong with it. We need a normalize casual listening. You don't have to be like a hella stan to like a group or like their music, you know. All right, 2, 1. Shit, I'm scared. Is that hello?
Chicken, pizza, spaghetti.
Oh, how I wish.
Oh, this is gonna be what? This is gonna get trippy, bro. Damn. Oh, she's not even participating. Oh. Oh.
Scalpel, come the roses.
This is a hot spot.
Oh, okay. She cooking. In the kitchen. They just blasted through. Oh, damn. Bro, her and that orange hair, flavor. It's flavor. She in the sauce? What the hell? They eat it up. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Eat it up. Hey. Eat it. Ooh. J-Hope. What? Get it. Ooh. Okay. Give them glasses. You look good. The black on black on black. Get it. Oh, he cooking. Oh, Labyrinth.
Yeah, this is a hot spot. Don't give a fuck, nigga, monotone.
What? Bro, the editing in this music video is crazy. What an interesting weird beat too. Not weird, but the music video is weird. Ooh, with the nails. Interesting. Eat it up. I love that part a lot. Between your teeth. I love that part too. Eat it up. Damn. Eat it. Okay, that part. This is a key part. Ooh. What the? Hello? Eat it up. That's it? Is that it?
르세라핌.
Damn. Okay. I see him. Ooh. Okay, we need to run that back. I'm gonna refresh that. This time we're gonna just go through it. Like, I'm gonna like pause. Can you pause? Damn. All right, I'm gonna turn on chat back. What's up, chat? Chat was getting lit. Chat, how you feeling? Chat, how you feel that was? Chat was getting lit. Wait, so the beginning, she was saying what again? Let me see. Oh my god. Hey, get lit with it, chat.
Chicken, pizza, spaghetti.
Spidey? Oh, spaghetti? Chicken, pizza, spaghetti? What? What'd she say?
Chicken, pizza, spaghetti.
I think so. I think so. I love the beginning. It's crazy. A lot of... Oh, the core workouts. What is happening? He look high as hell. Girl, you're not even participating. She watching. What the fuck? What is that? He just bursting through with their ingredients. Look at her chopping that ish, anime style. Bro, she cooking for real. That's my bias. Hey, what we craving though? Look at how they get into formation too. Man. Oh, thank you, Juan, for subscribing. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh, I love her hair. Chaewon's hair right here. They all look good though. My goodness. Oh. In the sauce, for real? In a spoon though. On some God 7 just right-ish right there. Oh, she kicks the mushroom piece right here. Chaewon. That's dope. That's dope. Ooh. Eat it up. Eat it. Eat it up. Bitch in between your teeth. Eat it up. Eat it. Eat it up. This part's fire. Whoa. The little J-Hope came in quick too. Back up. Yeah, he looked good though, for real though. The whole outfit, the leather pants. Spaghetti. He eating that. He eating that. I see you. I see you. Oh, inside of his mouth is like flashing colorful. Ooh. The labyrinth. Wait, what was that part?
Yeah, this is the hot spot. Don't give a fuck, nigga, monotone.
That edit is kind of crazy. Damn! They fiending! They fiending for that spaghetti. SSERAFIM spaghetti. Bro. Ooh. Did he go back in time? Did that old man go back in time for real? First of all, Chaewon looks good, bro. What the in that suit, in that outfit? Taking him back to time. Whose child is this? Hey. The little. Eat it up, eat it, eat it up. Damn, they spraying them. Eat it up, eat it, eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it up, eat it, eat it up. You know, I didn't. Damn. First of all, their heads are exploding. Spaghetti. I love how wild this is too. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's so cute. Hold up. Can we just appreciate Miss Ma'am? Look at her. My God. She eating that. She eating that up though. Look at her. The eye contacts, the hair, the little headgear. Oh my goodness. Oh. SSERAFIM, y'all.
SSERAFIM.
That is the critic. Ah, the critic was the old man. He had a Ratatouille moment where he went back in time when he first. I'm clocking it. I'm not one of those channels that explain shit. But all right, I'm Fearless. SSERAFIM Spaghetti featuring J-Hope. J-Hope was pretty badass. All black leather in a labyrinth, I think. I'm not sure what that meant though. Yeah, he was eating for real. He had something in his mouth that made it like shine, right?
Yeah, this is a hot spot. Don't give a fuck.
Constant like bass like going as well. This edit right here with the two like I think it's the drag queen just as the like the pillars, almost like the left and right of the video. In the middle is 르세라핌. What an interesting edit. Damn. The maze with J-Hope reminds me of Arms, wrong place, right time. Ah, interesting. Well, that's it for 르세라핌 Spaghetti featuring J-Hope of BTS MV. Crazy MV. Oh my god, Chaewon looks so good. Sorry. But, oh, she hitting somebody's mouth too. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Sorry, I'm watching it as well. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Oh. Eat it up. Alright. Put comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you to those who are here with me live on Twitch. Appreciate you. Yo, spam. Hype it up, y'all. YouTube, we out. Bye, YouTube. Okay, with the body rolls. Okay. Hi. Alright, y'all. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.